Let's dive into division. 358 divided by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Alright, let's start dividing 358 by 2. Get ready. We look at the first digit 3. We're using just this one digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2. We write that down. Now we subtract. 3 minus 2 equals 1. That's our remainder for this step. Awesome job, you're doing great. We'll bring down the next digit 5 to join our remainder 1. Here we go with step 2. We have our new number 15. We brought down the 5, so now we're working with 15. How many times does 2 go into 15? Think of your 2's times tables. It's 7. Let's see, 7 times 2 equals 14. Write that under 15. Subtract 14 from 15. What do you get? It's 1. Fantastic, you're making amazing progress. Time to bring down the last digit, 8, to make our next number. Last step, team, we've got 18 now. We brought down the 8, so we're looking at 18. How many times does 2 fit into 18? You got this, it's 9. Let's check 9 times 2 is exactly 18. Perfect. Subtract 18 from 18. That leaves us with 0. No remainder this time. Woohoo, you absolutely crushed it. We've used all the digits, and our final answer is 179. So 358 divided by 2 equals 179. Great job. We just conquered long division by dividing 358 by 2. Remember, every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to the answer. Keep practicing, and you'll be a division whiz in no time. That's all for today, super students. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep shining. See you in the next video on Let's Stud.